case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a noteworthy decision from the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit, popular agricultural commodities sellers, Nickey Gregory Company, LLC, and Popple's Produce Inc. took on finance behemoth AgriCap, LLC, in a battle for their due payments. The case was rooted in the predicament of a bankrupt produce distributor, Robison Farms, which had involved all three entities in a complex financial tangle. The overarching issue boiled down to one question: was AgriCap's transaction with Robison Farms a sale or a loan? AgriCap had provided funds to Robison Farms and, in return, held the distributor's accounts receivable as collateral. The sellers, Nickey Gregory and Popple's Produce, having provided their commodities to Robison Farms, sought their unpaid money from the now bankrupt distributor. Pointing fingers at AgriCap, they argued the finance company had no right to retain the money owed to them. Instead, they insisted that the finance company was obliged to return the funds in their direction, in accord with the Perishable Agricultural Commodities Act, PACA. The court considered the intricacies of the case and ruled in favor of the agricultural commodities sellers. Not only was AgriCap found to have violated the PACA by holding onto assets that rightly belonged to the unpaid sellers, but its wrongly identified transaction with Robison Farms further complicated the matter. AgriCap was found guilty of retaining trust assets in the face of unpaid PACA creditors, which, the court pronounced, amounted to a violation of the PACA trust. The court also concluded that the initial damages calculation was flawed, having misrepresented AgriCap's receipt of Robison Farms funds as purchase rather than loan. In a bid to recalibrate this faulty calculation, the case was remanded for a fresh reassessment of damages. The judgment also served to reaffirm the revered status of produce suppliers as preferred creditors, an advantage that effectively subordinates lenders' secured position in such assets. This landmark decision demonstrated an unwavering commitment to protecting the interests of perishable agricultural commodities sellers in an increasingly competitive marketplace.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.